Local 4 News begins right now with a breaking news alert.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Karen Drew. Let's start with that breaking news in a controversial custody case involving this convicted sex offender. A judge granted him joint custody of the 8-year-old boy he fathered, even though he fathered the child during an alleged sexual assault. Steve Garagiola was in court today for that big turnaround. Steve.
Well, Karen, let's start with emphasizing the bottom line here. The judge has vacated that order that initially gave joint custody to the mother and her rapist. So that part of this is at least over with for this mother. It's been a very emotional and busy day around here. Let me show you some of what has happened. The day started with a rally outside the courthouse before the hearing in support of the child's mother. Simmering outrage, really, among a lot of people as to just how this could have gotten this far. The hearing was brief, only 15 minutes, and only the judge spoke. He wanted to make clear that he signed that custody order because he didn't know the man was the mother's rapist, and he put the blame for that on the prosecutor's office. Afterwards, we talked to the chief prosecutor, and really he blamed the Department of Human Services, but did concede his office did also mess up.
We have no knowledge of what the judge knew or didn't know. We certainly didn't advise him because we ourselves didn't catch the fact that there was a convicted rapist in the statutory procedure for which we did not follow.
He was apologetic, I guess I should say, but it wasn't sincere. He doesn't understand what I've been through the last 9 years.
Well, there is still a lot of emotion simmering even after that hearing. Looking ahead to 5 and 6 o'clock, we'll take a look at a couple big questions. Number one, why this may not be the last hearing in this case. And number two, how this small community has dealt with being in the international spotlight. It has been something of an ordeal. Again, that's coming up at 5 and 6. Reporting live in Sandusky, I'm Steve Garagiola, Local 4.
All right. Thank you, Steve.